It's Friday.
Let's make a frog then.
Indeed. Hey folks, welcome back to the channel.
Hello.
So, I am making a frog.
Shocker.
Yes. Yes. Not only am I making a frog,
Yeah.
I'm making a frog for the Froggy Friday collaboration, which is run by Lisa from Girl in the Garage, Karen from Dragon's Cave, Lula from Nerd Goblin Art, Gert from Gert Creates, and Tim from the Bass Resonator.
Well done.
You're welcome.
Playlist is in the description.
Indeed. Make sure you check it out.
Yeah.
Now, I decided that I was going to make a chrome frog.
So you are going to use the chrome powders that I want. I haven't actually used those yet.
Well, that's not my fault. You're too busy with your paints, and I'm going to utilise everything else that's in this room. So I thought that I would make a chrome frog because this is our last Froggy Friday.
Yeah.
We're
moving.
We're moving. Yes. We're moving from a Friday to a Saturday.
Yeah.
And the reason for it is we've got so many things that we want to make and so many molds that we want to use, and we just can't fit it all in. So
no, we can't do four videos a week.
much as we would. Well, no, we wouldn't love to.
What, do 4 a week?
No, there's just not enough time. There's literally not enough time for 3 videos and a frog. And so we've done the frog now for 7 months solidly.
Has it been 7 months?
It's been 7 months solid every Friday. We haven't missed a single one.
No. And we have a million frogs all over the place. We are overrun.
We are overrun with frogs now, but I have really enjoyed Froggy Friday.
Yeah.
It has been an absolute blast. But I've got lots of other bits and pieces that I want to do.
Lots of fun stuff to do on a Saturday instead.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
So we thought rather than sort of keep our Friday slot and not compete, because it wouldn't be competing, but we thought we'd move to a Saturday.
Yeah.
And Froggy Friday can continue in all its glory, and we can just be a viewer on a Friday, and that'll be fun.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Quite sad now.
Well, yeah.
Anyway.
But yeah, we are moving to Saturday at
8 o'clock.
8 p.m.
Yes.
And and we're just going to just do some of the other projects which we just haven't had time to do.
Yeah, because I've got a million molds that I haven't even got round to using yet.
Yeah. And
yeah.
So, a million glitters that need to be used up.
I have got quite a few glitters, yes. I have. There was a teeny tiny little delivery of glitter that came and made me very happy.
Yes, the dolphins know.
I don't know where this dolphin thing has come from, but it needs to stop because I don't find it funny.
Well, everybody else does.
Well, that is not how dolphins sound. I know, I've communicated with them. Anyway. Anyway, I did think for our last Froggy Friday, I would do a chrome rainbow frog because I like rainbows and I couldn't decide on one colour. So I thought I'd go with them all.
Do the lot.
Do the lot. Yeah.
So you've put a bit of tape?
So, yeah, what I've done now, masking tape doesn't stick greatly to silicone, but
it sticks enough.
It sticks enough so that I get enough of a line to not have to clean it up. Apart from that little bit there that I am actually cleaning up. But until that bit, it's because it's getting sort of nearer to the head and it's a bit harder to because basically I put it down and then I held my finger on it just to give me that sort of line.
Yeah.
But it got a bit difficult in that one spot because I was trying to get a lot of colours in to a very small space. Because sadly, never managed to get hold of the giant frog.
No. I still think we should do my plan.
No, we're not doing that.
I think that's a good idea.
No. I have other things. I have other things that I can have instead.
Okay.
And funny you ask, there's a Trello board.
Shocker.
Nikki's wish list. Indeed, there is a wish list on a Trello board. It's quite long, quite detailed, and it's in order of preference.
Okay.
Feel free to share it with the children should they have an overwhelming urge to buy me something. For
your birthday's coming
Christmas, Mother's Day, whatever. Just saying.
Just a Saturday. It's the only Saturday in this week.
Well, to be fair, one year I got a kettle because
he bought that for himself.
He bought my youngest bought me a kettle because he didn't like my kettle and he preferred that kettle. So he bought me one so that he could use it.
Yeah.
When he comes round.
Yeah.
And I'm like, thanks. And then the other one, I bought me a teapot.
Yeah.
He bought me a teapot. What don't I drink? What
tea.
don't I drink?
Tea. I do though.
Indeed. So,
although my cup is actually practically a teacup. A teapot. Your
cup takes 2 boils of the kettle.
Yeah.
It's that big.
But I don't have to make as many trips.
And then he moans that all night he's up and down to the toilet like a tart's knickers.
Yeah.
Honestly. Anyway, I finally finished doing all the chroming. And then the beauty of the chrome powders is that you don't have to back it with black. You can back it with whatever colour you like because the chrome just looks amazing.
It just looks chromy.
It just looks chromy.
Yeah.
So I thought I'm going to put some aluminium.
Aluminum.
No, aluminium.
No, it's aluminum.
It's aluminium. You are English. Do not do that. It is the language of Shakespeare and Tolkien. Behave. Unbelievable.
Uh-huh.
This is what I'm dealing with on a daily basis. Shocking.
It's not really.
It is a little bit.
It's not.
It is that you came out with that. Anyway, the aluminium colour is from Just Resin, my favourite pigment paste.
Yeah.
And it's beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. So just popped it in, made sure it was all in the toes. And yeah, while I'm doing that, let me just take this opportunity to say thank you to all our members, our subscribers, anyone who has liked, commented and watched our videos.
Yeah.
And if you've sent us a super thanks, super duper thanks to you.
Yeah.
We really, really appreciate it. And the encouragement really does keep us going. So thank you. And now.
Thank you very much.
Dun, dun,
the demold.
The demold. Which I have to say, this came off like a dream. Look at that. It just.
Stained the mold.
It did a little bit, but it's fine. Because it's purple. So it's all good. And there we go. Doesn't he look cute? It's really nice though, isn't it? I love those.
I like the colours. I think the lines are a bit too defined.
Oh, shut up. Rude.
No, I like it.
Oh, I like it, but I don't like it.
No, I didn't say I didn't like it.
You just did. It's really hurtful. I'm going to end it now and I'm just going to cry.
Uh-huh.
Little deep inside. Anyway, I liked it. I thought it was very pretty. Cool. I liked it so much. I gave him a mouth.
Yes.
And I was very, he got a mouth.
Did he get bedazzled? He
got some eyes and a mouth.
So, you really liked it then?
Yeah, he got eyes and a mouth. Now, I didn't put eyes into the into the actual frog itself because I thought it might detract from the chrominess.
From the chrominess?
I wanted it, from the chrominess. I didn't want it to have like regular eyes. The wibbly wobblies felt wrong.
Okay.
And the coloured ones felt wrong. So I thought I'm just going to give him
chrome
silver eyes. Yeah.
Okay.
So, because I thought it was more in keeping with the feng shui.
The feng shui of the chrome.
Yeah. It was a chrome theme. I had a shiny theme going on that day.
I do like that chrome purple.
But I don't know where that is now.
Do you not?
No.
No.
No, it's gone.
It's quite funny that you gave the frog a purple head.
Well, where else would you put the purple?
I don't know. The middle?
It's a rainbow. Richard of York gave battle in vain. Richard of York gave battle in vain.
Okay, got ya.
So where else would you put the purple? Anything?
No.
No? You got nothing?
No, I got nothing.
I thought, yeah. Silly Billy.
Silly Billy?
You're a silly Billy. What are you laughing at? Why is that funny?
Hey, just I haven't heard that in quite some time.
Well, since like 2 minutes ago.
Before that.
I tried to put a bit of a purple eye on it with now those purple metallic markers that I got, they're rubbish.
Are they?
They are rubbish.
I've never actually used them.
That's because they're rubbish. So what I did is I took my secret purple pen and I used that instead.
Where is it?
What? Where's what?
Your secret purple pen.
What secret purple pen? But I didn't like it.
Did you not?
I did not. So
Wow.
I went back over it with silver. Honestly, at this point, I was like, why didn't I just put regular eyes in it?
Have you not got a set of like purple or eyes?
I don't.
Really?
I've not seen well, that's not strictly true. I do have purple eyes, but they're dragon purple eyes, and they're only for dragons. They're not for frogs.
Could have been a dragon frog.
No.
No?
Don't ever say that again, please.
What, dragon frog?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
I don't like it.
What's wrong with the dragon frog?
You said it again.
It's better than a spider frog.
No.
No what?
No. You're not making spider frog or any spider anything.
Well, I am.
No.
No.
No, we talked about this.
We did, and you said I could do the reverse spider clown.
I did, but there's no spider legs.
I didn't say there was going to be. I just said spider frog.
Yeah. Well, what that means is, Spider-Man is basically a man in a spider suit, in a red and blue suit.
Yeah.
Well, that's Spider Clown. Right.
Yeah.
Anyway.
I'm not getting your point
here.
We
were off to the glamour shots. So here is my chromy, rainbowy frog.
Yeah.
In all his glory.
Yeah.
And I quite liked him.
No, I think
I was very pleased with him. So so there we have it for our last ever Froggy Friday.
Yeah.
So thanks to the whole gang who organise it week in, week out.
Yeah.
And are absolutely phenomenal at doing it. It's
amazing that we've been doing it now for so long.
Mm-hmm.
And every week we've managed to come up with something different.
Yeah.
With just that mold. We have used other molds, but predominantly
all of my Froggy Fridays are that mold. Yeah. So yeah, it has been fun. But
yes, and thank you to everybody who's watched our Froggy Fridays
and supported us.
Yeah.
And if you're still here now and you think you might like to see our creative chaos on a Saturday, make sure you hit that like button.
Yeah, and while you're down there, give the subscribe a little tickle.
And hopefully we will see you again.
Yeah.
Have a fantastic week, everybody.
Weekend.
That's
Yeah.
what I meant.
Weekend.
Oh. My brain is now frazzled.
Yeah.
Have a great weekend, everyone.
Yeah.
And we'll see you in the next one, hopefully.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye for now.